not
guys,
play
I don't
in
know
the
what
game
those
tonight,
hold.
and it is
Probably more rooms. Those office holds more rooms. Don't know what that office has. Simmons Bank. Maybe we can go to that commercial complex another time.
You think the Simmons has units on the ground?
Maybe one or two. Do you want to go to the Waterford, Dad?
Let's check.
I'll run out back. I know that one has a unit. The building over there does, but I'll run out back. See if I can find a room or something.
I don't see anything.
But I've seen one over there at that building.
What building? This one?
Yep. Good news there's none there because it's a weekend. Don't know what that is. Probably a Trane unit.
You want to run over to the Waterford, see what you can find?
Oh, sure.
You run over there and I'll come pick you up, okay? Are you running the camera?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm going to have to delete all these, you know.
I'm going to upload them.
All right, hurry.
I'm going to upload them onto Mom's computer first. And then upload all these into one clip. One big video. Okay, guys, I'm going to make this into one big video on iMovie. And if we have time, we can go to it. Those have. Let's go see what we can find over here at the Waterford. The Waterford. See if any of the trains are you. I'm going to go out my grandma's old dentist office type thingy. People. There's a ton of people here. See what you can find. I don't know if I found an air conditioner down here. Those units are running. Let's see if we can find a ground unit. I know I saw one earlier. These apartments all have units. Hi, Dad. Oh, sweet. Little York units. So I got a York unit right there. Oh, it's so nice. We got a little York room. That was good. Can I... Trains? Do you want to look at the trains up there? 5 trains? Thanks, Dad.
Why don't we head back?
No, it will just take me a second.
Where am I picking you up?
What?
Where am I picking you up?
Oh, there's a parking lot.
Up there at the dentist office? All right, that's the last one.
Okay, Dad, thanks. So, guys, that's my dad. Yo, right over there. One of those trains was ringing, as you saw. This is part 3 of the video. I've already made part 1, part 2. And so, say goodbye to the Waterford, guys. Waterford at Iron Bridge. This is a retirement community. Not in the capital living to see more living property. See if we can get the trains running. Right over here, the 5 trains. Let's see if one of the trains is running. Okay. As you see, guys, we have lots of filter dryers here. XB13. 2-ton. Probably a ton heat pump. Some more heat pumps here, guys. Too bad none of these units are running. Now we got one of these. So are these heat pump filter dryers? It's 4-lane filter dryers, guys. So I got an XB12 here. Some XB12s with Emerson fan motors and probably a couple of compressors right over here. And so let's see if there's any more units on the other side of the building. Oh, just a window to check you guys. Check window. Oops. Examining rooms. Test insurance. Let's see. Ian's back there, probably not. So guys, there's my dad. He's picking me up. So guys, sorry guys, but I gotta end this one. Bye. Say goodbye to my grandma's old dentist office. My grandma Nina's. I'll take a video of the crawl space and the links at Mimi's next time. Bye guys. By the way, this is part 3. Bye.